including myself or the rest of your crew, to help you this afternoon. Please don't hesitate to ask. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened in case of any turbulence, but if you fall asleep, we won't want to disturb you, so please keep the buckle visible. We are a non-smoking airline and smoking is not permitted at any time. There are sensor smoke detectors in all the toilets. And keeping your safety in mind, Thomson Airways has a zero tolerance policy to disruptive behaviour of any kind. So to be commencing our in-flight service, we have a full drinks and snacks available from alcohol, and do check out our full range in our onboard magazine, which can be found in your seat area. And please be advised that only alcohol purchased crew can be consumed on board this aircraft. For those of you who chose to join us for dinner, this will be served later in the flight along with your choice of tea or coffee. We have a fantastic range of perfumes, aftershaves, gift watches and jewellery, all which have massive savings on compared to the high street. We will be giving you more information about this later in the flight. Not take this opportunity to look at our magazine to see all the special offers that are available. As our flight time today is 3 hours and 30 minutes, we will be showing you one of our blockbuster movies. Today's movie is Valentine's Day. This romantic comedy stars Jessica Alba, Kathy Bates, Jessica Biel and Jamie Foxx. Following this will be a selection of TV programs, and so you can choose whether to enjoy the movie, watch the TV programs, or listen to our music channels. Headsets are available for you to buy. These are priced at £2.50 each, and remember to keep the headset for your return flight. Sales of all movies and programs can be found in What's on Leaflet.